I always forget and I do it at the end, but let's switch it the hell up. Do me a solid and wait till the end, or at least a minute in before you start clicking all the buttons. I know it's hard when you hear something you like and you go clicking, but this app clocks ish like a freaking prison guard, and you know it's gonna consider you a bot if you start doing shit a little too early. Patience is a virtue, isn't it, huh? let's take this destiny swapping a level deeper, because it's not just some spiritual TikTok buzzword. It's a real mechanic. And yes, it happens on a celebrity level too. In Hollywood, destiny swaps are literal. Let me break it down clean. And I don't know if a turtle is a sign for someone. I had this in my pocket and the urge to pull it out and show it popped up. So let's get into this one. First, they cannot touch chosen ones. Not because they respect us, but because they can't survive our frequency. Our energy would fry their fucking circuits. We're source anchored. Our destiny is locked. Our soul contract is non-transferable. We're unhackable. So when people talk about stealing a chosen one's path, let me shut that shit down right now. Not possible. You're not stealable. But destiny swapping is real with a different group. This is where Hollywood comes in. Celebrities they target are not chosen ones. They're what I like to call unanchored, high-frequency humans with talent, charisma, magnetism, influence, natural glow, but no spiritual anchor, no divine firewall, no source lock. Basically bright, valuable, and unprotected. Those are the ones they can swap, not the vessel. Bodies are disposable. They're after the soul blueprint, the energy signature, the influence, the destiny slot. That's why in celebrity culture, when they 86 someone, it's not about the person, it's about clearing the position so another entity can take the contract. For us regular folk, especially the chosen ones, they can't do any of that. So instead, the attack looks like energetic imprisonment, isolation, resource blocks, health hits, loop cycles, sabotage, emotional suppression, a spiritual cage, not a swap. So let's go in a little deeper in the next part. We're gonna show how to recognize that cage and how to break out of it so violently that your timeline snaps back into alignment like a rubber fucking band. I stopped for a minute because I realized I said that last word at 3:03, and it's like, hi dad. Like, I'm starting to question a lot of mechanics here, but you know, homeboy's always around, and I say it 3, 2, 1, take off. I always say it's because he wasn't around when I was as a child, and the fact that my mom would always talk so much shit about him to give me, you know, different view on the man. So, you know, that's why we besties now. And I'm gonna drop it on that one and go into part 3. With that being said, you can touch all the buttons now.